Hi Vinay, welcome to this feedback interview session. How are you doing today?
I'm doing wonderful, sir. Thank you for asking. And first of all, I would like to good afternoon, sir. And I'm doing wonderful, sir. Thank you for asking.
Great. First of all, heartiest congratulations on getting your first job as a network engineer with L&T. So how it feels like?
Sir, I'm feeling very excited, and it is a moment which I want to have from a long time. And the institute I-MEDITA helped me to get this opportunity. And right now, I'm very excited and I'm very eager to apply my networking technologies, which I have learned from our institute, and it is amazing.
So for the viewers who are watching this video, Mr. Vinay has enrolled for multi-track job-oriented course and recently he got placed as a network engineer with L&T. So in this session, we are going to discuss about his experience, about his interview process as well. So, hi, Vinay, welcome again, and let's quickly get started. Okay. So, can you quickly
Oh,
introduce yourself and give us a quick understanding about yourself and your background, please?
okay, my name is Vinay Ranjan. I'm from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, and I have done a bachelor of graduation in Bachelor of Technology, and I have done my schooling from Saint Public School, which is in Punjab. And apart from it, I have some networking training certificates like CCNA routing and switching, NRC, CCNP NRC routing, and CCNP ENCOR switching. And further talking about my technical skills, so I have also the certificates of NSC1 and NSC2. And my ultimate aim is to aim is to be a network security engineer as well as good in routing and switching. And further talking about my hobbies, I like to listen music and play outdoor games. Thank you for asking, sir.
Recently, you have qualified L&T interview. So, can you quickly help us understand about the processes which were during this interview?
Yes, sir. It has three rounds, and first round was a written test, and it includes it was having 60 questions, which I have to attend within the 60 minutes, and we can say one question per minute. And the second round was a personal interview, and third round was client-based technical interview, and we did it well. And finally, I achieve what I have to, I had, which I had to.
Great. Many congratulations for that. How was the journey and experience during the multi-track program with I-MEDITA?
So it was very fantastic actually. And here in I-MEDITA, I enrolled in multi-track courses, and I was uh, uh, good to know that it was having three courses, four courses actually: CCNA routing switching, CCNP ENARSI routing, and CCNP ENCOR switching with the CCNA network security. So all these courses made me to get my opportunity, sir.
You
Made me
also
able to get
attended
it. Yes, sir.
You also attended personality development and interview preparation sessions by Shweta.
Yes, sir. Shweta ma'am trained us to improve our personality development. Actually, I was little weak in speaking English, and finally, by attending all the classes of Shweta ma'am here in our institute, I became able to explain or elaborate myself to interviewer or uh, in frontier. So it was also fabulous.
What are the three things you liked about I-MEDITA's training?
So three things. First of all, faculties are good, and 24 lab availability, and it also includes to develop our personality. So these things fascinated me, sir.
During your training program, how much time did you spend with the classes, lab practice, and self-study on a daily basis?
Um, it was approximately 16 hours per day.
16 hours per day.
Yes, sir.
Can you
Sometimes
break
more
down?
than 16 hours.
Can you break down how you spend that much time here?
Yes, sir. First of all, it was is including parallel two classes, which in which uh, which are of 4 hours, from early in the morning from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m., and after that in the evening 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. And
10 a.m. to
so
12, 10 to 12 one slot, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. afternoon one slot, and you were also
yes,
attending some other sessions in the evening, if
yes,
I'm not wrong,
exactly,
right?
sir. Yes,
Okay,
exactly, sir.
okay.
After that, I was studying by myself in the lab, which was 24-hour available. And in between, and in night also, I used to came after my dinner and study to and I was doing study here.
And how did you first hear about our training courses? How did you got to know about I-MEDITA? Because you are doing this course for a very first time with us.
Yes, sir.
So how did you got
Sir,
to know us?
my friend, one of my friend, he has already gone through the I-MEDITA, and is also working at a well position, and he helped me to find this institute. And when I came here, I realized that I found one of the best institute in India for networking.
Yeah, based on your training with us, how would you rate our services and training offerings on a scale of 10?
Absolutely, sir. 10 out of 10.
And do you have any suggestion or feedback for us through which we can improve our services and training in future?
Yes, sir. If anybody want to become a network engineer or anything he want to do in networking, so I think he must join this institute, and because nothing is impossible if anybody do work hard work, and only hard work is not sufficient. A proper guidance is also necessary, and this is the institute which can provide you that proper guidance to explore or to achieve your ultimate aim. So I would like to advise them for I-MEDITA Institute.
Okay. One last question. I was going through your resume. You did graduation in which year?
Sir, I have done my graduation in 2017, and there is a gap of 5 years, and now I got a job in L&T kind of MNC, and
Okay.
only I-MEDITA helped me to get this opportunity.
Okay. And how many interviews you have given before this L&T?
Sir, I have given 5 interviews in which four of them I was got selected, but finally uh, I am fascinated to join L&T, so I joined
Okay.
L&T.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And did you found any difficulty due to this 4 5 years of gap during the interview?
Yes, sir. I found lots of difficulties because I was not from a technical background. First of all, after that, I studied for government examinations, and simultaneously, parallelly, someone advised me to with networking, and I got fascinated with networking. So we can say parallelly, I was also studying networking by myself, but things were not getting clarified about the networking technologies. Like there were multiple terminologies which were similar, so I used to be get confused which terminology is for which purpose. So at that time I think that I should have a institute which can help me to identify each and every terminology individually. So my friend suggested me this institute. He was already passed from here, and I came here and I saw, and I it was really it is really good institute which can help you to clear your doubts regarding networking. Not only
So
networking, it also help to explore multiple domains like SD-WANs, which are advanced of networking, and clouds. So it is the best institute, sir.
even with this 4 5 years of gap, you mentioned you have given 5 6 interviews and you got positive response with a couple of interviews, right?
Yes, sir.
And that was because you spent too much time with the study, self study. So you mean to say even if somebody they have some kind of gap, but if their fundamentals, concepts, and hands-on knowledge is very good, there's a very high possibility that they will get a job, right?
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. And I am a live example, sir.
Okay. Thank you,
Yes,
Mr. Vinay. It was really pleasure talking to you. We wish you all the very best for future success. This being your first job, we suggest you to do a lot of hard work and dedicate a lot of time for your self-study as well. And keep learning, keep growing. All the best.
so thanks to you and thanks to I-MEDITA Institute. It was not possible without all of you. So
It's all your hard work. At the end, we would say it's all your hard work. It's all your dedication. And we wish you all the very best. Thank you.
thank you, sir.